Brazil's health regulatory agency Anvisa unanimously approved Sunday the emergency use of the CoronaVac vaccine from the Chinese laboratory Sinovac, as well as the AstraZeneca University of Oxford vaccine against COVID-19. The decision will allow the Brazilian government to start its vaccination plan against COVID-19 with 6 million doses of CoronaVac vaccine developed by Sinovac in conjunction with the Butantan Institute of São Paulo.
É uma boa vacina que tem a sua eficácia dentro dos limites do aceitável pela comunidade científica, pela Organização Mundial de Saúde, por parâmetros internacionais.
The director-president of Anvisa, Antonio Barra Torres, said the moment is for awareness, unity, and work. There is only one enemy. Our best chance in this war is necessarily for change in social behavior, without which, even with vaccines, victory will not be achieved. Brazilian 54-year-old nurse Monica Calazans became the first Brazilian to be vaccinated against the novel coronavirus on Sunday, after Brazilian health authorities approved the emergency use of the vaccines. She received a dose of the CoronaVac vaccine developed by Sinovac in a ceremony chaired by São Paulo Governor João Doria. Brazil is second in the world in the number of deaths from COVID-19, with nearly 210,000 deaths as of Saturday, and third in the world in the number of cases, with more than 8.4 million infections reported.